Smoking with the Migos, it's just me and amigos.
Hey guys, some of you may know me as Nour's brother. My brother, he's at the shop right now. He's getting his frame fixed. So I'm going to be here providing you guys a video for the air scoop installation for my my car. So I'm doing this video myself today because I want to be part of Nour's channel, and I want you guys to get to know me more. We're gonna be doing some more things, and hopefully I'll be involved more in his channel and in the future. Alright guys, so I just want to show you how it would look before we install the air scoops. Again, it looks pretty clean even though without it, but we're gonna add them, and I decided that we're gonna be choosing the transparent orange air scoops. We just got this from a partner, and we're gonna install these bad boys, and we're gonna see how it would match up. Alright guys, don't want to forget there's a giveaway and there's 1 day left. The giveaway is going to be down in the description. Make sure to follow up on that, alright? Really nice to pick up. Alright guys, so I just popped the hood. I just want to let you know what we're going to need to do to install the air scoops. We need to take out these 4 screws. Well, there's 2 screws technically, and there's 2 tabs. These tabs, I'm going to show you that you're going to need to pop this one up in the middle and then pop up the one in the bottom. And then you'll be able to take out the whole thing, and same thing for the other side. And we're going to lift this whole thing up and then install the air scoops. Alright guys, so we just put in the air scoops. You just gotta tuck them in real tight, close in the gaps, and then shove it in there. It should fit very nicely. And then we're just gonna put in the 2 tabs, and screws, and we're gonna lock it up and see how it looks. Alright guys, we just installed the air scoops. I want to show you how it would look. As you can see, we got those orange air scoops down there. It matches the wrap, looks very nice. I'm so happy we got this done. It actually looks pretty good. So the next thing, I'm gonna go outside and show you guys how it looks in the sun. Alright guys, the reason I did this mod is because it's very nice and it's very subtle. It's not out there, it's just perfect. It just gives it a nice little accent, and at the same time cools down my engine. It's a very simple mod, anyone can do, and it looks nice. Alright Nour, before I forget, Nour, when you edit this, I want you to throw a little cinematic, make my car look good. Advertise.
Bruh, look at this dude. Kill me. I wouldn't be surprised. It's gonna take me on a ride. I'll probably lose everything trying to get it, but that's alright. It won't take me by surprise. No, she's gotta have it going on.
Alright guys, I hope you liked this mod, and I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for supporting this channel. That means a lot to me and my brother, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out. That's all I have to say.
She got me saying, Yalla Habibi, I need you to see me. Quit with the front and then put your guard down, girl, we know you ain't easy. She got me saying, Yalla Habibi, I need you to see me. Quit with the front and then put your guard down, girl, we know you ain't easy. You know, you're all